Today's lesson is a piece of cake. We're gonna learn how to say hungry in Chinese. Please repeat after me. I would like to share a quotation with you. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Lee. So let's practice. Apple or apples? 苹果 Banana or bananas? 香蕉 Grape or grapes? 葡萄 Orange or oranges? 橙子 Strawberry or strawberries? 草莓 Peach or peaches? 桃子 Watermelon? 西瓜 Some grapes? 一些葡萄 I wanna eat an apple. 我想吃一个苹果 I wanna eat a banana. 我想吃一条香蕉 I wanna eat some grapes. 我想吃一些葡萄 Delicious or yummy? 好吃 Hungry? 饿 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.